Hey guys, what's up? CJ from CJ's Weiss, and today we are doing a Amber collection toy review. So let's get right on to the video. Don't want to take up any more of your time. Alright guys, so I already took it out of the box. I have it in a pretty nice pose here with the stand. Got the legs in a pretty nice position. Got the tail really cool. It's in a really nice pose, if I do say so myself. So let's start off with coloring. Sorry, I just knocked over the box. 1 second.
Give me something.
Sorry.
Search the past
So,
for redemption.
it is pretty big if you ever get it. This probably looks really small. It's actually pretty darn big. So let's talk about coloring first. So, it's really good detail. Eyes are really nice. Just focus. It's really shiny. But it's really nice. We have an amber in the back. Then it has a nice shade for the bottom, a nice kind of hand shade, then a medium shade for the middle, all the way down. A nice dark top. Arms are nice too. Finally, Mattel, thank you so much for finally doing this for a collector's item though. Painting all the claws. Finally, Mattel did it. So yeah, Mattel finally painted all the claws. Again, like I just said, I would consider this more of a collector's item than a toy, but for me, I just had to have it. So, coloring's nice. Now let's look in the mouth here. So it has a lot of shades. I think it has 3 different shades of pinks. Has a light pink for the gums around right there. Nice bit of kind of reddish pink and then red for detail. It has some nice yellow, white color combined with teeth. And that's all of the coloring, I would say, I think. Oh yeah, toes have like a little wash here. Nice. Really nice tie. Nice amber color. And yeah, it's really good. Guys, let's move on to articulation. Luckily, this toy can stand without the stand. I watched a YouTube video on this at first, and I was worried that it would not be able to stand on the stand, which is really what I thought would happen. So, stands nicely, and it has pretty small feet, but they're inside. So I'm surprised that it really even stands at all. It's probably because these claws. So, start off with the head, and then move it right down. Well, I found a woman. So the head, it's like a super colossal T-Rex if you guys have that. Opens at the top and the bottom. For the mouth, which is amazing for a figure this small. Then it has this joint right here, that allows the head to move like that. Then you can nod like joint on the neck right here. some nice positions. That's your butt though. Let's move all the way down to the legs. Legs could do a full 360 again, but I will not show that. It is just videotape. And the legs, the back, crouch. It has the joints here, movability, then the joints of movability, foot, right here. Yes, like that. Finally, Mattel has accomplished my dream for a Velociraptor toy. My true wanting for a Velociraptor toy. The moving claw. And the toad doesn't actually move. So if you're worried, you're like, wait, it does not moving. If like you purchase this and you ever do try to move the toad and it's not moving, you're like, wait, why is it not moving? It's the actual claw that moves, not like the actual toe. And so let's go all the way back. And the tail has one bit of articulation, sadly. I know. But wait, you're like thinking, wait, why would that have so much articulation, but not just have one joint in the tail? Because the tail's a bendy wire! Mattel made a bendy wire toy. Rubber does feel a little similar to the rubber that Hasbro used though, so it kind of feels like it might rot away eventually though, which sucks, but enjoy it while it lasts. It has nice bumps here, so we should put that in coloring, but so that's, I think that's all the articulation. So now I'll move on to comparisons, and I am so sorry I do not have a lot of things to compare it to right now because I am currently at my grandma's. So, but I will compare it to Velociraptor, Indoraptor, and Grab and Growlithe. So, also compare it to a figure. So, let's get on to that. Alright guys, comparing it to Zia, as you see, huge size difference. Now putting Blue next to it. Blue doesn't even reach up to her chin. Come on, Blue, you need to have a growth spurt. But looking at Blue, this is the actual size of Velociraptors in the movie. Go up to the head, this is the size of the raptor in the 6-inch line. About like an inch higher than the head or something like that. Now let's compare it in the raptor. So there's not a huge size difference. This guy is not a huge size difference. Except lengthwise, as you can see. The raptor is just a little longer. This much space, and the head is still bigger than the raptor, but the hands are actually smaller. The feet are a lot bigger. Early Mattel production, little kind of big feet, small hands, kind of body shape, hand paint. Design, and now we have collector's items out that are the highest quality possible. So you guys stay right here. Let me go grab my grab and growl. Just look at the other raptor. Go grab and growl. Obviously bigger than the regular raptor, so it's the ground girl is much bigger, much longer. Just want to show you, nothing to do with this review, but look at how much better teeth are in the ground girl than the original. Teeth are all jagged and like the Interruptor. This one's like, oh, I'm a regular dinosaur like a velociraptor. Haha. Not a hybrid that's diseased that has crooked teeth. Totally. Alright guys. So that's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go to posing pictures now. So let's go to the posing pictures, and thank you guys for watching.
Someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is over.